I'm just going to show you the charging power supply for the Mavic Air. It has two different outputs, 13.2 volts for the main batteries and a 5 volt USB hub, which gives you two USB outputs with a maximum of 2 amps out. The amps for the main charging circuit is 3.79 amps, and the connector just goes straight into the bottom of the hub like so, and you can push the cable into the little clip there. When you flip it over, the two sides open up and it gives you a position for 4 batteries, and the batteries just literally click straight on very easily. The connector for the batteries is right here, and then when the batteries are on the charger and you switch it on, it'll automatically check out the batteries and it'll charge the most charged battery first, so you get flying quicker. So as I switch that on, I've actually put a little bit of charge into one of them, so you should see that it begins to charge this one first, and you'll see that by a series of green LEDs flicking across there, as you see now. So these smart hubs in all the DJI models, even previous to this one, have that same design where they interrogate each battery in the hub and they commence charging the most charged battery first, which is a really good idea. Now, additionally, this little thing, the first time I saw these come out was with the Phantom 4, and then the normal Mavic. And what they allow you to do is they allow you, just by clipping it onto your battery, they then allow you to use your battery as a normal battery bank with this USB slot here, with your regular iPhone or Android charging cable to charge your phone, and also you can charge the remote controller as well by just plugging into this area here with the appropriate connector, which in this case is a micro USB. So this is a really handy little gadget, and I wished I'd had that with the earlier Phantom 3 Pro that I had. It was never available. Okay, just by the way, the status LED can give you some help about what's going on with the battery hub. So in this condition, when it's pulsating green, it means that one of the batteries is charging. When it's solid green, all 4 batteries are fully charged. If you saw that it was yellow, that means no battery is inserted, but it's ready to charge. If it's blinking yellow, it's waiting for the battery to recover from an optimal temperature for charging. So if the battery was too hot when you took it out of the aircraft and you plugged it straight into the hub, it would blink yellow until the battery would cool down enough that it could actually commence the charge. And if it's solid red, it indicates that there is a power supply or battery error and that you should check the components. And according to the manual, all 4 batteries will charge in 3 hours 30 minutes under regular temperature conditions, and almost double that if you're down in the very cold areas of the world. Okay, just a quick look at the propellers and the propeller guards. Propeller guards are very, very good compared to other ones I've seen. Each one is marked with the place that it's going to go to, and they just connect together like that. And inside here, it'll say right front, right rear, and left front, left rear, etc. And the connectors are very easy just to open with your thumbnail, and then literally they just slide onto the aircraft by putting the motors into the holes and clicking the little guards straight over the top of the arms until it clicks. So same again on this side. Click. Well, that one didn't click. 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 Okay, so that's it. Now, what it says in the instructions is after you've taken off with the propeller guards on, you should hover for 6 seconds until the aircraft recognises that the guards are on before you actually start to fly. And just to quickly show you the propellers, each propeller has a small lock and a direction arrow on it to show you which way they lock and unlock. And all you do to take the propellers off is literally hold the outside of the motor, push the propeller down and rotate it opposite to the arrow, and they pop off just like that. Not sure if you can pick up the little picture of the lock there. And to replace it, it's the same thing. Just put them on the spindle, depress the propeller against the spring and turn it in the direction of the arrow, which is the lock, and then just check that it's on. So if you need to replace the propellers, that's how you do that.